Mother from H&P here. The camera guy is also our resident freeze-dry guy. With 20 chickens, we get a mess of eggs, and we want them for future meals. We've got 4 dozen here. Pro tip, don't put your egg shells down the garbage disposal. Oh, will you regret it. Use the eggs in your garden compost instead. For this batch, we're using a 1/4 cup of salt. You can certainly salt to taste. Mix it thoroughly until all the yolks are broken. You want a smooth mixture. He uses a medium setting on the mixer. We have a Harvest Wrap freeze dryer. I did a couple of videos on the unboxing and test drive of the unit earlier this year. We've been running the piss out of this thing ever since. Pre-freeze the unit. It will prompt when it's ready to start the freeze drying process, about 15 minutes later. Don't forget to close the drain valve. Now we load the trays. Our unit is not in the kitchen, so rather than slosh and sling full trays of eggs from room to room, we load them in here. No, it's not the prettiest process, but it's eggs. Remember, always have clean trays, a clean unit, and clean hands. So we have 4 trays ready to go. Time to load them up. Close the drain valve and go. It will freeze for about 2 hours. And then it dries for about 10 to 12 hours for this batch. Gotta love this machine. It tells you everything you need to know. So when it's done, open the drain valve, which releases the vacuum and allows the door to be opened. You see the frost ring around the sides of the unit? And there we have it. Freeze-dried eggs. A dozen eggs per tray here. The Mylar bags are dated and labeled with the contents. Add a desiccant bag. Seal them up. Use the highest setting on the sealer. I seal it twice, once across the top and once above the zipper. Our raw eggs are now ready to cache for future meals and recipes. Thanks for watching.